Hello and welcome to MRC channel. This time in this video we're gonna review one of my creation for 3D printed RC. This is RC display chassis. It is for 1/10 scale body shell. So I made this because of purpose. I have a lot of body shell laying around my room, in my garage, and my workshop. So I need something to display my body, but not about hang around on the wall like that with a nail, and it could damage your body shell, especially for your paint. So I made this body shell fully adjustable, 3D printed. I'm gonna review the dimension about this chassis. So this is fully adjustable. It can be adjustable on the middle section. It can be adjustable into 6mm tops. It can be a shortened or a longing, and then it can be adjustable in each arm, front and back, for a wheelbase. Wheelbase, it can be adjustable, and the body post towers here is fully adjustable too. You can pop it around 15mm back and each end, front and back, and the arm, on each arm you can extend it, the wheelbase around 10mm. So overall dimension is about long 338mm, and the width of this chassis is 177mm, and the height of this chassis is around 66mm. So the display chassis is it can compensate any of RC body shell for 1/10 scale, fully adjustable. It can also turning your what do you call it, the wheel. You can turn the wheel in the front, and also the camber of it. You can fully adjustable camber here. You can fully adjustable. If you want more camber, you can adjust it on the lower arm here. It is there's a hex and nuts, so you can lose it and you can pop it and outward. There's a hub in here. This is M4, so it can you can use a flange, those normal flange nuts for RC, such as like these, or you can use a normal nuts like that. It is your choice. So it can be camber or more camber or not. This is what I like. The camber is enough for me. Also in the backward you can add more camber too. I've lost one of the tires, so you can see the hubs here, the rear hubs. You can fully adjustable. You can use like this, more camber or not. If you are fixed with camber, you can tighten the screw here and it won't move like that. You can tighten the screw here. It's just simple as that. There, you cannot move it again if you tighten the screw. It is fully adjustable to the wheelbase here and each end. So this is the hex. This is a standard hex, 12mm. It will be compensate any of normal rims, cars or drift rims. You just pop it like that. Just a normal assembly for RC rims like these. And there, and secure like that. And then also there's a body post here. You can fully adjustable too. if you don't want to, this body post, stealth body post, is included in the file to print it. So you can use either these, or you can use your own stealth body post. It's your choice, of course. But if you don't have one, you can use these to print it. There's adjustable body post. There's a hole like a normal body post tower. This is stealth body post. This is assembly with magnets. But if you don't want to use these body posts, it's your choice, of course. You can just assemble the magnet just like an ordinary one. You can with M3 bolt like this, and it will assemble like this. So that's the review. Let's see how it fits with the body shells, of course. Okay, this is the body I have. This is a BMW M3 matrix line with the Hatsune Miku. It's like a Itasha. So it will look like these. See? It's because I don't use body magnet, so it moves around, wobbling. So it can be used like these. And this. Most of the RC display chassis cannot move your front tires turning, but this one can, like that. It will be nice to have these display chassis, to display your chassis in the shelf rather than hanging up on a wall. It can be damage your paint if you hang it on a wall. But with these chassis, display dummies, with this dummy chassis, you can display this nice of yours body shell. It's very precious to any RC players of their body shell. So you can use this, you can print this as much as you want it. There. So if you're interested to print one of my creation, you can download it from the link I described on this videos. Check out the link in the description to download the file and 3D print it. This chassis can be printed even with a small FDM printer, so you don't need to worry, because it's I've separate each part, so it should be composite any 3D printers. So that's its review for this RC 1/10 scale display chassis. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it is helpful, and see you in the next video. Thank you.